Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and powering the controller off. This prevents shorts and lost parts. Use a small Phillips or Torx driver and a spudger to ease seams. Gentle pressure avoids plastic damage. Once done, remove battery or disconnect cable and lay screws in a labeled tray so reassembly is painless. You should identify the stick module type now, because knowing whether it's potentiometer-based or Hall effect informs the repair approach and replacement parts you'll need. You'll remove the shell and expose the stick assembly. Take photos so reassembly matches the original. Check for grime, cracked plastic posts, or loose retaining rings. Dirt causes drift while worn potentiometers create resistance. Once you've inspected, try gently lifting and pressing the stick cap to test play and detect slack. If screws are loose, tighten gradually. If contacts look worn or the module wiggles, prepare to replace the potentiometer or entire stick module. Keep parts organized as you work. You now install the repaired or replacement stick module, aligning tabs and ribbon cable for a snug fit. Tighten screws evenly to avoid warping. Once reassembled, reconnect power and test all axes in a calibration utility so you can confirm range and dead zone. If the stick still feels loose, check for a missing retaining clip or stripped screw hole and fix that first. As a troubleshooting tip, if drift remains after replacement, recalibrate firmware, and if necessary, inspect or replace the main board potentiometer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.